After long journey we still managed to get to the performance and it was worth it. Had some problems with finding where to exchange vouchers. It was one of the festival tents, not ticket booth at the palace. Wonderful experience and great opportunity to see Suwon in the evening. Beautiful dancers and modern traditional music. Suwon Hwaseong Festival. Experience Korea's representative traditional culture festival, Suwon Hwaseong Festival. Performance, Jinchan, Feast of Memories. An immersive court performance that combines real historical spaces with digital technology, offering a modern reinterpretation of Jinchan, the banquet King Jeongjo held in 1795 at Bongsudang, Hwaseong Haenggung, to celebrate his mother, Lady Hyegyeong Hong's 60th birthday. Suwon Hwaseong Festival Welcome Kit. A limited edition welcome kit to enjoy the Suwon Hwaseong Festival. Includes Korean traditional themed goods and snacks. Perfect for those who want to enjoy the festival freely without a reservation. Quantities are limited and may run out early.